Hey girl, hey. It's your optimistic plan bestie. Am I the only one that has to like clean out the refrigerator? The only one that sees and smells weird looking, stinky, old things? Yeah, let's clean out the refrigerator and then figure out how to take it apart and wash it. You don't like calamari? Yeah.
Are you for real?
Oh, wow. Look. Of a mechanism. Fine. Because people look at you like, ew.
But I had to, and this is why.
Got you, girl. I'll see you some more. Nah, fat.
I'm like, yeah. You can put your oven on low, and then just good. And I got leftovers, so.
Love leftover, okay?
Yeah,
Oh, right. Oh, me too, girl.
Hey, I need you to see me cleaning when I'm doing it in your space.
Every time.
So if you don't teach them how to clean properly, if you don't teach
It's going to be 76 degrees later.
fast, none of your clothes fit. Literally. The way, you know? The way that my clothes look.
It's needed. It's needed. Cause why is y'all doing this? Oh, okay. I see you really want to watch. You keep.
This ain't my era. Per se. Some of them are pretty good. Like people that retired from then until now, you know what I'm saying? They came after him, they still play. It's crazy.
And blow, ta-da, just like that. We all done, ta-da. Looks much better. It's nice and clean. Thanks for watching.